Hello everyone. Hello my team. Today we make a wonderful microwave sponge with different flavor and aroma. It's not just color. Yummy yummy. As you see, here is pistachio, here cayenne pepper, and here poppy seed, and here the amazing one is chocolate with truffle oil. Here pistachio, as you see, is not too much colorful. Cayenne is amazing. This fantastic with truffle oil, really nice aroma. The idea to make microwave sponge for garnish, but in the same time you make it tasty. Bring paper. Let's start our. Now here we go. We have 8 whole eggs, 200 gram custard sugar or crystal sugar, 40 gram flour. I use gluten-free flour because a lot of guests now have gluten-free allergy, so I don't need to use to make a nice garnish. So you can use normal flour or gluten-free flour, which any kind. Even you can use almond powder, but some people have also nuts allergy. So I use rice flour, which is fantastic for everyone. Here you put the sugar, salt, and eggs, and you make it high speed. As you see, the tracks here when you start is high speed, and then you will have foaming a minimum 12 minutes. In 12 minutes you have a strong peak and you have really nice sponge. As you see, it's go to triple size of what we start. Now as well, after 12 minutes now, you can see is wonderful. When is during the mixing, I try to added my garnish. This is a lemon zest, fresh lemon zest, which give a nice wonderful aroma. Here 13 minutes. Now the sponge is ready to mix the gluten-free flour. As I said before, you can use normal flour, but when you have gluten-free people, you cannot use it. So you spread gently the flour. As you see, it's 40 gram only, and then you can use very gently the whisk to mix it all. Make sure you bring all the side and the bottom, and don't whisk too much, just light. Here is ready almost. And here we go. Then we added the flour. When we added the flour, now we divide it to 3 or 4 different pans or casserole, or you can use it only for one flavor. You can use it as much as you can, but 8 eggs you can divide it also. You can make it 4 eggs. You have recipe and it will be amazing. This pistachio paste, look, when you do like this is heavy taste. You cannot do like that. This is wrong because this is heavy. It takes all the mixture down. So what you do, you take 1 spoon or 2 spoon, little spoon, then you added the paste, example pistachio paste, praline paste, raspberry paste, whatever you have, intensive paste. And then because of pistachio you can put little drop of green color, but don't make it over color. You see now is intense, but when we mix it with the big mixture it will be very light. Because I saw a lot of chefs is they put a huge color which is not presentable. So when you mix now you can see is light pistachio color. So you can whisk very gently. As you see the color is not too much green, plus when it's go to oven it will be much better. When we piping in paper cup, we must pipe in paper cup, third of the cup. Here curcum or jormaki, as you say, turmeric, and then lemon zest. So we have turmeric and lemon zest together. We mix it, as you see, until we got the texture, the color, the aroma, and really nice. It's fantastic. Both flavor mix it well. Here cacao, we make chocolate with truffle oil. Yes, as you heard, it's truffle oil, which is very intense aroma, but when you mix it with microwave sponge you have a different flavor. Then as you see all the steps is the same. You take little of a sponge to make it the best is light, then you mix it with the sponge, the bowl you have, and don't over mix it. You just be gentle as you see to get the color. Make sure here fantastic cayenne pepper with poppy seed, and it's wonderful, believe me. Cayenne with poppy seed is wonderful sponge and taste really nice. This is the whole idea, the whole concept. We need to make nice garnish with a flavor to add it to the plated. It's not just a color. Here we put in microwave. Normally it takes 60 seconds, 1 minute only, but there is a lot of different type of microwave, some strong, some weak, so you can use only 40 seconds some microwave, and some microwave maybe take 70 seconds. So it's depends. So first we try one piece only, because if burn or something damage is no problem. And when I'm sure I put 4 pieces, 4 each, not more than 4 pieces or 4 cup, because otherwise is will not cook well, especially with rotation oven. But normally it takes 1 minute only. So almost ready. Wow, this cayenne with poppy seed, one of my favorite. And here you see the truffle is not so dark, is not all color, is presentable. Because this is the whole idea. We need to make something presentable, not over color. As you see, the pistachio is really color of pistachio, not over, not artificial. When you finish, I put in microwave for 1-2 minutes just to be strong. Then I remove. As you see, I make a garnish for creme brulee, and soon I will add this recipe. And here 2 panna cotta with raspberry. So please guys, if you not join to my page, please subscribe my page now, make likes, and please put your comment any dessert you want to learn. I'm here to supporting you. God bless you all. Don't forget to share to my all videos. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy our dessert. Ahmed Younes.